how to make money on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. Today I'll be showing you the ways to make money on Instagram. So in order to make money on Instagram, there are different ways of doing it. So what you can do is, first thing, you can just go ahead and update your application and make sure that you're connected to an internet service. As mentioned, there are several different ways of making money on Instagram. So first thing, what you can do is you can partner with a brand for sponsor posts. Apart from it, and you get paid by Instagram as a creator as well. If you create content and post on Instagram and you have multiple followers on Instagram, that can also help you get an Instagram creators account, and you might be get paid by Instagram. Apart from it, you can also open an Instagram shop, and recently the shop feature has been trending on Instagram. So you can go ahead and open a thrift store, whatever store, and from there you can earn a lot of money. Apart from it, you can also become affiliated. You can also drive traffic to your website and all that. And Instagram also offers marketing services and all that. You can sell photos, illustrates, or digital files and all that. Now, these are some of the ways to make money on Instagram, and accordingly, you can get paid on Instagram. So in this way, you can make money on Instagram. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.